5 superfoods to keep your liver health. Number 1. Walnut. Walnuts are a nutritious nut that contains various beneficial compounds, including omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols. Walnuts contain polyphenols and other compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is often associated with liver diseases, and consuming anti-inflammatory foods like walnuts may have a positive impact on liver health. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritious vegetable that belongs to the Brassica oleracea species, which also includes other vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. It is known for its dense, tightly packed green florets and thick stalks. Broccoli is widely consumed around the world and is celebrated for its health benefits and versatility in cooking. Number 3. Beetroot. Beetroot contains antioxidants, including betalains and other phytonutrients, which have been shown to help protect cells from oxidative stress. The liver is responsible for metabolizing various substances, which can lead to the production of free radicals. Antioxidants help neutralize these free radicals and reduce oxidative damage. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is a popular culinary herb that has been studied for its potential health benefits, including its effects on liver health. While garlic has shown some promising properties that could be beneficial for the liver, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand its specific impacts. Garlic contains antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, garlic may help protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins and inflammation. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are a group of fruits belonging to the genus Citrus, which includes a wide variety of fruits known for their tangy flavor, vibrant colors, and rich nutritional content. Here is some detailed information about citrus fruits. Common citrus fruits. Oranges. Oranges are popular for their sweet and tangy taste. They are rich in vitamin C and fiber. Lemons. Lemons have a tart flavor and are highly acidic. They are a great source of vitamin C and are commonly used for their juice and zest.